Okay, so the lockdown is a little bit loosened up here. People can move kind of freely without getting into trouble. So just taking a walk and testing the Zhiyun crane M2, very tiny, small, mini crane. Yeah, taking a walk. It's been 2 months I've been staying home. Nice and stable. Up, down. Interesting. Alright, so about the A7S3 that we are anticipating. Oh well, I'm not gonna wait for that anymore. It's been too long. And even if it come out, it will be very expensive, over $3,000. That's at least. And what do you get? Do you expect it to be better than the Canon R5? It's very difficult. I don't think so. But anyway, we don't really need 8K or 4K 120p. It's a little bit too much maybe. All I want is 4K 60p, and that I can get from GH5. So that's the plan. Stop being a Sony fanboy, I guess. And I'm gonna try other alternatives. Like GH5 is so much cheaper. Imagine A7S3 comes out, it costs $3,500, and GH5, how much does it cost? With lens, $1,500. So it doesn't really make sense to wait for the A7S2, at least not for me. Okay, so this crane is pretty cool. It's very lightweight, easy to carry, doesn't weigh me down. My arm is not that sore after holding it like this for a while. This is very nice for vlogging, but maybe a little bit inconvenient when you have to. I didn't connect the camera with the gimbal via Bluetooth, so I have to click on the record button physically. So maybe I should figure that out and become more convenient. Anyway, we're gonna go shopping later. Go get some snacks, get some beer, get some food. We're just walking around aimlessly, testing this thing out. It's actually pretty comfortable. Vlogging with a bloody mask on, it gives me more confidence. I can be more shameless vlogging in the public. Nobody recognizes me. Not that anyone would recognize me anyway. Just I'm super shy. That's all. Alright. Let's turn the camera around. Tap it 3 times. There we go. Nice. Yeah, having to turn the gimbal constantly on and off, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Especially when I try to hold on the camera without turning off the gimbal, the motor just freaks out and it vibrates like crazy. So I have to first turn off the gimbal and then get my hands on the camera. Otherwise, yeah. It's a very nice day. It's very sunny, warm. A lot of people walking now. A lot of people getting out. It's 1st of May, Labor's Day, vacation plus quarantine, double vacation, double free time. Everybody's free. And yeah, sky is blue, cloud is nice, and we're going home. And see you next time. Bye.